Alright guys, we're here. This is room 16032 of the Harrah SoCal. Where's the light?
Why are you saying our numbers? Am I going to come and visit?
Yeah, I know. Okay, let me get the light. So this is a 2-queen bed. Whew. This is in the new tower. So this is the north tower. Little tidbit. So I used to work here 10 years ago. God, where's the lights at? Oh, okay. Well, I'll just sit right here. So I used to work here 10 years ago, and this tower was not here. So we're gonna do a tour real quick. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's other videos up there, but this is pretty freaking nice the way they did this. So here is our window. Okay, that's our view of the mountains, parking lot, back storage area. I can tell you what those buildings are down there, but I'm probably on an NDA with the casino, so yeah. So that's that. So I'm gonna come over here. AC unit right there. They got some pictures on the wall. You got a full-length mirror with a light in front of it. That's odd. Okay. You got 2 queen beds right here. So if you had the king room, it'd just be a king with 2 nightstands on either side. And I think there'd be like a couch in here or something instead of these this table and chair set up. All right. So you got that. You got your. Looks like we got some USB and American plugs. Okay. Light switches over here.
You got the Bible? No Bible.
Nope. No Bible.
And we got a service update. I guess they won't get into our room at all.
Oh, okay. Oh, because of COVID? The sanitation plan and all that and stopped?
I guess. Rooms will not be serviced during your stay. Extra linens and toiletries available upon request.
There you go. So, let me get a shot of that. There we go. I can pause it. Okay. So clock and radio over there. So, and then we move over here. On this side of the room, we have, what is this, a closet? Okay. It's got the closet. Is there a light up in here?
No, baby.
There ain't no freaking light in here. God dang, come on, Harris, y'all let me down. All right, so you got a safe, hanging closet, iron board, pretty much standard. You have a lamp over here. Okay, and that also has, looks like a USB and also another outlet, and then you have another port over here. So you got 2, so you got 1, 2, 3 on this side. And then here, you got 2 more over here. So, I mean, all together, just in this room, you got what, 5? All right, 2, 3, yeah. So you got 5 USB ports. That's pretty good. That's a little bit more than some of these cruise ships right now. So, okay. Let's see what else we got. So we got our standard 32-inch TV, drawers, standard drawers. All right, trash bin, chair. What's this over here? Mini bar.
It's a fridge, but I'm trying to figure out how it works. It says turn me on. I pressed this button. I don't know why. Hopefully that's what it is. I don't know.
Really?
I guess I don't have it on. You have to turn it on. So we'll see. We'll see how that works.
I don't know. All right. So on and off. I don't know. So, got some extra storage down there. Got a little light.
Ooh, I like the shower.
Okay. What is this? Connecting room? Yes, that is a connecting room. So here we go. Now into the bath. All right. So let's go into the commode real quick. So here's your toilet. It's got some art on the wall. I mean, it's all right. It's decent.
So you don't have to wait for the person to be done?
Yeah. It's got its own door and a vent. Wow. Okay. And then here we have our backsplash with the full, half mirror, side lights. Got a makeup light mirror over there. Okay, got your lotions and what is this?
Soap.
I don't know. This your hotel facial SoCal. All right. So sink, single basin sink. Looks like you got comes with a hair dryer, towels. Typical. All right, and then what's this? This is the shower. So go ahead and close the. So there's your shower door. All right. Swings outward, which I like. I actually like the tile job on this. It's really nice. All right, so go up in there.
And it's environmentally friendly. It got the dispenser.
Yeah. So
you don't have to waste a bunch of
you got a hook over here. All right. Your handle is here, but then your head is over there. All right. So that's a little bit different. And then here's your drain.
So no bathtub, and you have little ones.
Right. So this room is different from some of the other rooms that I saw online. What is this? You got the body, clean hair, silky hair. I don't know what this is. It's probably like shampoos and your body wash, conditioner, that type of stuff. All right. How many people you think can fit in this? I'll be the first one.
You seriously getting inside?
Yeah, I'm getting inside. All right. Dang.
Oh, it fits 2.
2. I'm like 4.
2 is good.
Well, could be 4. Okay, now.
Remember, this is a family video.
Yeah, for adults. All right, so that's the shower. Yeah, I mean, all in all, I think the casino actually did a really good job with these rooms. These are the more modern rooms. So the older rooms, you can go online and see those pictures, but you can see how outdated they are. And this is pretty updated compared to what they have in the other tower and over in the dive-in rooms. Those are right next to the pool. I didn't want to get that because it was too outdated, and the shower tub combo was just too small. It was like made for one person, maybe 2. So.
But if you have kids.
Right, but if you have kids, then yeah, you would want to get the one. So this is our staycation without the kids. We're here at Harrah, SoCal. All right. Sometimes it's called Funner, California. Here at Harrah's Rincon, whatever you want to call it. All right. I myself am a platinum member. Caesar's Rewards. Check your boy. Okay. All right. And I decided to come here to get some points. We're gonna go eat tonight.
To get some points.
Well, we're gonna go eat tonight. We just wanted to do a quick room tour for you guys, and that's it. I'm not planning to really film anything else. Okay?
Yes, we are.
Maybe we'll see. I'm not planning to film because I kind of want this to be her birthday weekend. So
Lazy River, at least.
Maybe the Lazy River. Maybe we'll see. Okay. But yeah, so anyways, y'all, until the next video, peace out.